Yo, what is happening, guys? Welcome to today's video. And if you're struggling to stay consistent on YouTube, doing your search-based YouTube automation channel, because when you're doing search-based YouTube automation, it's not like regular YouTube. We upload once or 3 times per week, or just one video per day. You have to upload multiple videos, 5 to 10, and some channels even do 15 or even 20 videos per day. Now, trying to do that as a solopreneur can get quite tricky, and you're going to burn out doing that within about 3 to 4 weeks. So the best thing that you can actually do, if you have a little bit of a budget every single month after you get your AdSense check, is to build a team. If you can have a team of 1 to 2 people doing the videos for you, that means you can take a little bit of a back seat, you can relax a little bit, and you can focus on what really matters in the business, like coming up with new video ideas, doing topic research, getting brand deals, and focusing on the admin side of your YouTube channel, communicating with other YouTubers, getting ideas and stuff like that. So building a team is what's going to allow you to do that. Now, it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Building a team can be very affordable. Now, we'll be covering this in full detail in my school community. You can grab a free trial at the first link in the video description. But like I said, building a team doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg. You can get a video made for like $2, $1 to $2. Then you can get a thumbnail for like 50 cents. And then for someone to upload the video, that's also like 50%. So you're looking 50 cents. So you're looking at about $3 to $4 per video. So if you're doing 5 to 10 videos every single day, that means it's not going to cost you a lot. So if you have a YouTube channel right now that's getting between $500 and $1,000 per month, then you really need to start thinking about outsourcing your videos to a team, because that's when your channel is really going to scale. There's going to be no more inconsistent days, and you're actually going to be getting somewhere with your channel. So there's many websites that you can actually go on to get freelancers for your team. You can see I'm on Fiverr right now. I don't recommend Fiverr, okay? Because for an example, you can get someone here like an editor, someone to edit your videos, but they're going to cost you like 25. So for an example, if you type into the description short, that's going to give you actually shorts. So I'm just going to type in here YouTube creator, okay, and then I'm going to click search. I don't recommend Fiverr. I'll show you what I do recommend. So here I will create YouTube automation channel and cash cow videos. So they don't really, for what we do with search-based YouTube automation, these people on Fiverr don't really know what our sort of style of videos is. And you're going to be paying over $5 per video plus transaction fees. So I would stay away from Fiverr. Okay, what I do recommend is Upwork. Okay, this is where I get my people to be able to do the videos for me. You can see I have 2 active contracts right here. And the way that this works is you would simply just go on to hire talent, then do job posts and proposals. And you would simply do a simple job posting like this, so that you can actually get people to apply to your job listing, and then you just go through the job listings or proposals, and then you basically hire from there. So you just message them, ask them, do they have samples that you can have a look at their previous work, and if you're happy with that, then you can actually hire them for the job. Okay, so that will be Upwork. That's the best, and you can get any price you want. If you want a video for $1, you can get videos for $1. If you want videos for $5, you can get videos for $5, and then you get onlinejobs.ph. Okay, I don't really use onlinejobs.ph, but it is another one that you can use. You simply create an account right here, and you search worker resumes, and you basically hire from there. It's similar to Upwork in the way that it works. Basically, you get proposals, and the people on onlinejobs.ph are going to be from the Philippines. Okay, so you're going to get some pretty good rates for these videos. Now you don't have to worry about this where it says 69 USD monthly. Okay, you just basically use the free site. Okay, and then you have something called YT Jobs. Now this does work for our type of videos we're creating. You just need to do a little bit more communication with the actual people on ytjobs.co. So you can see full-time thumbnail designer. Okay, you can hire them for thumbnails. You can get scripts done. Okay, we don't really need scripts. You can get a video editor and YouTube creative editor. Okay, so all you need to do now is post a job right there, and then you'll get all the people applying to your job. But yeah, hiring a team is really going to free up your time when it comes to your YouTube channel, because it's all about putting in the least amount of work that you need to put in to get a certain result. With YouTube search-based automation, you don't want to be spending 8 hours per day on the business. 1 to 2 hours per day is more than enough to actually get results. So I do cover all of this within my school community. Okay, you can get a free trial at the first link in the description or pinned comment. And we're going to cover everything in the classroom section when it comes to this in the Search Mastery course, as well as the weekly call recordings. So if you go to the Search Mastery course, this course will teach you everything how to start one of these business models and get to 1 million views per month. And then we do have, if you go back to the community, you can see the weekly premium call is happening in 43 hours. And then if you're not able to attend that live, I posted here. So you can watch the call recording. Last week's call recording is live. So if you want to take advantage of the early bird discount price of just $7 per month with a 7 days free trial, click the first link in the description, and I hope to see you on the inside.